to another Ready Yeti Spotlight. I'm Brenna, and today we're going to be checking out the GimMe Snacks Roasted Seaweed Snacks. GimMe Snacks makes delicious, organic seaweed snacks designed to be a way healthier option than chips, while still giving you that same satisfying, savory crisp you're looking for in a snack. Their seaweed snacks are only 25 calories per pack and are a great source of vitamin B12, K, and iodine. Plus, they're low carb, paleo, plant-based, gluten-free, and keto-friendly. Seaweed, as it turns out, is indeed a vegetable, and one GimMe Snacks pack is a serving of vegetables. It's basically like a crispy salad. GimMe Snacks are also super lightweight and relatively compact. They especially make a great snack to grab on the go or snack on a trail. They have a bunch of flavors available, or if you want something a little more classic, you can stick with sea salt and avocado oil. All of the seaweed in GimMe Snacks is premium USDA certified organic and non-GMO project verified seaweed, sustainably cultivated and harvested in South Korea. One of the biggest drivers for GimMe Snacks is to provide healthier snacks that you can keep in your desk at work, your pantry, or your hiking pack to give you healthier snack options that keep you properly fueled and satisfied. Oh man, I could really go for some, hey, can we get some more GimMe Snacks over here? Seriously. Thanks for checking out our spotlight of GimMe Snacks Roasted Seaweed Snacks. I hope you enjoyed it. That's it for now, and stay tuned for another Ready Yeti Spotlight coming at you next week.